Okay, good afternoon. Nick here, Walmart, St. Charles, Illinois, fixing a 3-compartment sink today. So these dump valves, these drain levers, we've got 3 of them one per each compartment on a 3-compartment sink. This third one, actually the first one all the way to the left was leaking. They always leak from the gland nut where the lever goes through and turns the drain lever, like you can see there. That'll turn that stopper, and when it's in one direction it's up all the way, and when it's in the other direction the rubber gasket is sealing the drain, which keeps it from leaking. If it gets past that, then it'll usually leak from this gland nut. So just to show you a little bit, you know, sometimes we have to repipe fittings, T's, Y's, elbows, etc. You know, depending on where they're leaking from, the nut end